Alright, what's up guys? My name is Zach, and today I'm back again with another Brap box unboxing for February of 2019. If you guys don't know already, if this is your first time watching, thank you for watching the video, but also you can pick up these Brap boxes at brap-box.com. The link will be in the description below. Basically what Brap Box is it's a monthly subscription service that every month you get a box. This is the Brap box, and you get t-shirts, stickers, pins, a bunch of cool stuff that's all Rotary and or Mazda RX-7, RX-8 related. So there's always a t-shirt, then you get some goodies along with that. So I'm going to be showing you an example box. This is what everyone got for February of 2019. So without further ado, let's get into the Brap box. So this is the box here. Let's see. The first thing we'll pull out are these Brap box business cards, and actually on the back here there's a promo code for 20% off, which is really cool. But these are super handy. You can bring these to car meets when you show off your sweet t-shirts or stickers or whatever, and someone says, hey, where'd you get that? Just hand them this. You guys know that I'm a huge supporter of putting money back into the Rotary community. If you can buy from people in the Rotary community, I think you should. The Brap Box owner, super cool guy. He's owned a bunch of RX-7s. I actually had him on the podcast, my Let's Talk Mazda podcast recently, so go check that out. But it's really nice to see a Rotary company supporting the community, and so it's nice to support them back, and so you can do that with these business cards. Up next, we have a Brap Box air freshener, which I actually got two of them. Here we go. Two Brap Box air fresheners. Really handy because you really only need 2 air fresheners a month. If you're going through more than 2 air fresheners a month, you might have other issues. You know, last night was the Super Bowl, and I filmed this a couple days before I uploaded it. Last night was the Super Bowl, and they had that beer commercial that was ASMR. Is that like a thing now? So let me ASMR you. Should I rub 2 of these together? Alright, up next we have, speaking of the Super Bowl, is a Koozie Cozy. You put it around your drink, keeps your drink cold. I actually used this, like I said, I actually got this right before the Super Bowl, so it kept my drinks nice and cool all night, plus stylish. This is going to be super helpful in the garage, hot summer day. At least you'll have a little bit of a fighting chance to keep your drinks nice and cool. Last but not least, before we get into the design of the month, is you get a little brochure sort of card thing for RotorCon 2019. Now, I will not be attending RotorCon 2019. It's not in the plans. And unfortunately, it's actually during my college finals week. But hopefully in the future, I would like to fly out to Vegas for RotorCon. It is April 26th through 28th in Las Vegas. So if you're in the SoCal area, Vegas, anywhere over there, definitely check out RotorCon. Alright, so now we're going to be getting into the design of the month. If you guys don't know, Brap Box comes out with a new design every month. So that design is a word search. So this is a little refrigerator magnet of the word search. A couple highlighted words are Brap Box, Brap, Zoom Zoom, Rotary, Bridge, Port, and there's a bunch of other words that you can find in here. So you get it not only as a magnet, but you also get it as an actual piece of paper. So if you'd like to go through, you can actually do the word search yourself. And not only that, Brap Box has actually given us a letter. It says, hey guys, just wanted to thank you for being a part of us here at Brap Box. We're continuing to improve our products as we brap through 2019. 3 active monthly subscribers will randomly be selected to receive an extra bonus item with their shipment every month. Thank you, Team Brap Box. So that's really cool. If you guys subscribe, you guys are eligible for that bonus. Now, last but not least, we do have the t-shirt of the month, which I'm holding upside down, is the Brap Box word search, which is really cool. I really like it because it's not very obviously a car shirt immediately, but it is. Also, Brap Box has been really cool, and they sent me an extra gift this month to show you guys. They sent me 2 quarts of Rotary specific premix. Now, if you guys don't know what premix is, you put it into the gas tank of your RX-7, helps lube up the apex seals. If you guys own an RX-7 and don't know what premix is, Lord have mercy on your soul. But you can now order premix through brapbox.com. You can actually subscribe to premix. So if you know that you need 3 quarts every month, you go about 3 quarts of premix every month, you can actually subscribe to that, and it'll show up at your door every month, 3 quarts, without even having to think about it, which is really cool because us Rotary guys were always preoccupied with other things like fixing the car, and so you can subscribe to it. And what's really cool is that this is Aidomitsu. This is not Brap Box 2-stroke oil. This is Aidomitsu actual synthetic Rotary racing premix. This is specially made for Rotary engines, which is super awesome. So if you liked anything you see here, please check the description below. It is brap-box.com. Brapbox has been absolutely awesome to me. As you guys know, they keep sending me stuff to show off to the channel, show off to you guys. I really do genuinely believe in these products. They are really nice. I wear their shirts all the time. This is an old Brap Box shirt, which is super neat. And it's like getting Christmas once a month. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to rate the video, comment on the video, and subscribe if you really liked it. Take care, guys. There goes a sight from my soul.